Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we'll be learning to connect our desktop and Android builds and build that out using the Web3Unity SDK. So let's go ahead and make our way to the Web3Unity folder, go to the scenes, ensure that for the desktop builds we use the wallet login, and actually I believe we're on here now, after which you just click play, which should open up a little connect button prompt for you. Click on that, it should open MetaMask, which will allow us to connect our wallet. Sign that, go back to Unity, and sure enough, it redirects us to our next scene. Very straightforward. If you want to build that out, you can go File, Build Settings, ensure that the Unity scene or the login scene comes first, and whichever scene you want to transition to after that is underneath that. That way you're connecting the wallet and then transitioning to your game, main menu, and whatnot. You can choose your platform, be it Windows, Mac, or Linux, or then Android as well if you want to as well. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.